Welcome to our comfort food tour. In this video, we'll explore classic dishes from around the world that bring warmth and joy to our hearts. From Italian lasagna bolognese to Spanish tortilla española, join us as we dive into these delicious global classics. Let's get started. Wyatt comforts. Layers of pasta, rich meat ragu, and bechamel create the ultimate edible blanket. Secret tip: let it rest 15 minutes after baking for perfect slices. Fun fact: the oldest recorded lasagna recipe dates to 14th century Naples. Evolution. From Thomas Jefferson's presidential dinners to blue box nostalgia. Pro upgrade: mixed cheddar with Gruyere and a dash of mustard powder. Crispy top panko breadcrumbs tossed with smoked paprika. Comfort science: umami-rich broth triggers dopamine release. Regional varieties: Sapporo, miso base with corn and butter. Hakata, creamy tonkotsu, pork bone broth. DIY hack: soft-boil eggs in soy sauce, mirin marinade. Origin story: created by accident in 1950s. Delhi using leftover tandoori chicken. Signature texture: cashew or almond paste for velvety sauce. Perfect pear garlic naan for scooping. Patriotic pride features the colors of the Mexican flag: green poblanos, white walnut sauce, and red pomegranate. Seasonal magic: traditionally served during Independence Month, which is September. Bistro classic: chicken braised in red wine with pearl onions and mushrooms. Key step: flambe with cognac for depth of flavor. Serving ritual: crusty baguette for mopping up the juices. Northern comfort: coconut curry noodles with crispy fried egg noodles on top. Balance: served with lime, pickled mustard greens, and shallots. Name note: cottage pie means beef, while shepherd's pie means lamb. The crown jewel of this dish is the mashed potato topping with a cheese crust. For a modern twist, you can add Worcestershire sauce to the meat filling. Feijoada is a cultural icon, a black bean stew with smoked meats, often served with orange slices to help with iron absorption. Traditionally, it's a Saturday lunch dish meant for leisurely eating. Moussaka is all about layered love, featuring eggplant, spiced meat, and bechamel. The signature spice in this dish is cinnamon in the meat sauce. National dish: fish with rice cooked in tomato herb sauce. Comfort factor: shared from one communal platter. Versatility: can be stuffed with potato cheese, also known as ruski, meat, or even blueberries. Perfect finish: fried in butter with onions. Healing powers: star anise cinnamon broth soothes colds. Customization: bean sprouts, Thai basil, lime, and chili on the side. Simple genius: eggs, potatoes, onions transformed through slow cooking. Texture debate: runny center versus fully set. Now be so kind as to like and subscribe.